we do in landcare is seedling propagation. This is where we take a sample from the parent plant and then place them into trays so where they can grow. The result is that we ended up putting them in their own pots and they grow. These are all going to be trees. One day, in 2 hours, we did 315.
This is another one of the things we do in landcare. It's a hydroponic system. We use water and nutrients, water-based nutrients to grow plants in these trays. The plants use chemical reactions to obtain the water through the clay beads, and this is how they grow. They grow 3 times faster than in the veggie patch, and it's a really new, inventive kind of type of growing plants, and we're doing that here. So, yeah. We grow all sorts of things like onions, lettuces, and tomatoes and potatoes. All the byproducts from our materials are turned into compost and put back on the veggie patch, so it's all really recyclable and organic. We learn all about pesticides and all the sorts of things that we can use to stop pest management and all of that sort of thing, so it works really well. And here's just some of the stuff that we've done recently. Right, today we're just going to interview our landcare TO, Miss Bullard, and we're just going to ask her a few questions about landcare. So how long have you been working in the landcare industry for?
Well, I've been working in a lot of industries, mostly horticulture and quite a bit of agriculture, and I've been doing that for about 22 years.
Okay. So what would be your highlight of working here?
Definitely educating students on the approach towards the care of the land, which involves landcare.
Okay, so what other things do you do in landcare apart from, just weeding and that sort of thing?
Well, no, we teach the students how to propagate. This year with the students, such as yourself, we did hydroponics, learning all about vegetable production and composting, soil health and water health.
Okay. So how would you say landcare is beneficial to agriculture?
The issues confronting Australia's natural environment are huge and daunting. They include salinity, the loss of biodiversity, native vegetation, the loss of soil, which we've seen on the news over the last 10-15 years, the disappearing wetlands and drying rivers. Landcare ethics are caring for Australia to action, repair and protect our land. The symbol of Landcare logo of 2 hands holding Australia is indicative of the landcare, therefore helping the agricultural industry.
Alright, well there you have it. Thank you for your time, and I think that's why we should be doing landcare.
Thank you.
This is our compost heap at Narrogin. We start with the waste material of the health horses up at equine. Then within a week we roll it over and add green waste onto it. Then once it starts to smell a little bit, we know that the pH is too high, so we add lime on it to lower it. Within weekly rotations we end up with the final heap, and this is what we can put on the grounds at Narrogin Agriculture College to help grow their trees.